In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Align Picture in Excel. If you work with images inside a worksheet, keeping them lined up neatly can make your spreadsheet look much more organized and professional. The good news is that Excel has a built-in alignment tool that makes this process quick and easy. To begin, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where the pictures are placed. Make sure the images you want to adjust are already inserted into the sheet because the alignment tools only appear when a picture is selected. Next, select your pictures. If you only need to align one image with others already selected, or if you want to choose several at once, hold down the Control key and click each picture individually. This is important because Excel needs multiple pictures selected in order to align them relative to one another. Take a moment here to confirm that every image you want included is highlighted before moving on. Once your pictures are selected, go to the Picture Format tab at the top of Excel. This tab is contextual, which means it appears only when a picture is active. If you don't see it right away, click one of the images again and it should show up. Inside the Picture Format tab, look for the Arrange group. In that section, click Align. This opens a menu with several alignment options that help you position your selected pictures in a clean and consistent way. From there, choose the alignment option that fits your layout. You can use Align Left if you want all selected pictures to line up evenly along the left side. Align Center is useful when you want the images centered on the same vertical line. Align Right places them evenly along the right edge. For vertical positioning, Align Top lines them up across the top, Align Middle centers them horizontally at the same level, and Align Bottom places them evenly along the bottom edge. Choose the option that best matches the design you want for your worksheet. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can simply select the pictures again and try a different alignment option until everything looks balanced. And that's it. That's how to use the Align Picture feature in Excel. It's a simple tool, but it can save time and make your worksheets look much cleaner, especially when you're working with multiple images on the same page.